Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on ironing in Ultimaker Cura. So by default Cura hides advanced settings, so you must unhide them first. So what you are going to do is look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the print settings. So right here, this area right here. Click the three line menu. If you see it, right next to the search bar inside that panel. So we need to find that. Okay, so what we are going to do is here we will press on show custom like that. And now you see this search setting. So next to it is these three horizontal lines. Click on that and then let's go here to advanced. Like so. Now scroll down through the settings section until you find top and top bottom. Or else what we can do is here in the search bar type in ironing. You will see here top bottom right now. Check the box right next to enable ironing, so this one right here. And yeah, once you check the box, a few new settings will appear right below. As you can see, you can adjust these to get the best look. So iron only highest layer, check this box. If you only want the very top flat roof of your model to be smoothed out, uncheck it. If you want every flat stair step layer on your model to be ironed. What else we have? We have ironing pattern, so you can leave this to zigzag for the cleanest, most consistent surface result, but you can also change to connecteric if you want. Then we have ironing flow. This controls how much extra plastic is squeezed out while smoothing. So default, as you can see, is 10%. If your top surface looks rough or has plastic peeling up, lower this number to, let's say, 7% or 8%. Now, for finish this, you will basically do slicing here at the bottom right corner, and you will get to these preview settings right here. So now you can see how it will basically work, right? So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next